I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest Weather on Demand forecast. Temperatures today were actually back to seasonal levels as we kick summer to the curb, at least for now. Highs ranged from the 60s to even 70s. Look at this, Houghton 72. Copper Harbor even warmer than Marquette at 70 degrees in Copper Harbor, upper 60s at the Weather Service, 74 in Escanaba. That's because of the front trail there. And notice all the warm orange colors off downstate. They were well into the 80s for a lot of spots, even just on the other side of the Mackinac Bridge. And the front came past sometime between 3 and 4 in the morning, at least across the central UP. Look at the last 7 days, though. Certainly has been on an upswing for summer temperatures, well into the 70s and 80s. Now that summer is over, it wants to come back because we really didn't have too much of a summer this year. Very cool, abnormally cool, as a matter of fact. Right now, the humid air is departing off to the south and east. All the green dew points there in the 50s, upper 50s, 60s. Currently, even downstate, it's very muggy outside, but off to our north and west, that's where we find really dry air in place with dew points in the 30s, and that means very chilly air is going to be moving in over the next couple of nights, and that's going to set up for more frost, especially over the interior UP. Winds coming from a completely different direction tonight from the northwest, and that makes all the difference as far as where our temperatures went today as far as highs, but where they're going to end up as well. Still 15 miles an hour whipping around from Houghton, 7 from Copper Harbor, everywhere else 7 or less, Munising right off the lake, and there is a swim risk right in Alger County. Currently we've dipped down to the upper 50s, hovering around 60, pretty consistent, 63 from Iron Mountain and also Escanaba, 57s all across the southwestern corner here, and even Houghton, how about that, a lot of 57s there. But still, I'm very impressed at this map. Almost 20 degrees colder than it was yesterday at this time, 19 degrees specifically in Ironwood, 16 in Ironwood and also in Houghton and Marquette, 14 degrees colder, a lot of purples and dark blues. And we can see that all across really upper Midwest, and this whole state of Wisconsin, as the Packers play on here, Minnesota as well, and even some blues off in the southern Ontario, as there's still some cooler air coming towards us right now. That departing cold front, you can see what's left of it, has since left the UP and currently downstate right through Lansing as it continues to ebb very slowly to the east. And with that said, high pressure is in place, giving way to dry conditions, and that's going to track to our north and east, meaning that means clear skies overnight tonight, and that's going to drop temperatures significantly, especially inland, but also set up for a very nice Monday, at least the first half of the day. But notice showers not too far behind there in the Twin Cities. Cold front's still a thing, and it moves very slowly out of the way. Showers generally move in the area, but very light. Notice how they also fall apart. We'll see more in the way of clouds and sprinkles, if anything else, mainly across the western UP for Monday night into Tuesday. Once those depart, Tuesday, a beautiful day, but we start to get a return flow, and that means we'll start to increase the humidity levels as we turn back to summer, with autumn getting closer actually on Friday officially. Lows tonight ranging from the mid-30s to right around 50. It's going to be quite a range once again across the Upper Peninsula. Winds changing from the west to the south across the western UP, and that means warmer temperatures are going to be in store for us as well. Start to warm things up into the 60s, which is where we should be this time of the year, but wait till you see this extended forecast. How about this? 70 Tuesday, a beautiful looking day. Storms, some of this on Wednesday could be strong to severe. And then Thursday climbing, mid-70s. Friday, first day of fall, question mark, and we are talking about 80s, low 80s for Friday and Saturday. A very summer-like pattern, warm and humid.